Hi, I'm Roy Southby of RoyTiles.com, and in this video I will show you that if you spread your thin set correctly, there will be no need to back butter. Now this is the extreme notch trowel with a stand-up handle so you can walk and spread your thin set. This pull is amazing. Look at that beautiful bed that it's created. The notches are in a straight line so that the air can escape when the tile is laid. You just collapse the notches and they will completely fill the void left by the escaping air. Now we'll have a look underneath this tile here and see the coverage. Now that's beautiful, and which proves that you don't have to back butter if you spread your thin set correctly. And by correctly I mean don't use a swirling action which is going to create an obstruction for the escaping air. And this is why they say you have to back butter large tiles, not because they're large but because there is a danger that by not spreading a correct unobstructed bed, the air will be trapped under the tile causing a void, which in turn does not allow a compute coverage. If you go to my website, roytiles.com, you'll find that I sell an ExtremeSpreader Tiling Kit which comprises of the extreme notch trowel in the middle section, the mini extreme notch trowel, a set of skis, a handle assembly and two sets of extenders which fasten onto the trowel to give it total rigidity, and of course an extendable aluminium pole. The large extenders are being used here to hold the trowel rigid at 48 inches, and the smaller extenders were used in the previous clip that was spreading a 24-inch bed. This is a fantastic tool which is going to save you heaps of time and money because, one, you won't have to back butter, and it doesn't leave any mess to clean up because it's set exactly for the size tile that you're working with. It spreads thin set far quicker than you could even imagine you could spread it, and because it's a half-inch square notch trowel, produces a 1/8 inch compressed bed which is perfect for slipping under your levelling clips. I should mention that all the products are my own invention at this stage, only available on sale and online at roytiles.com, and I ship worldwide. Now if you want to learn more, watch my other video, A New Era in Tiling, and that explains exactly how all the parts go together and how to use them. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.